Namaste guys, in this video we are going to see what is motion gen and how we can make 2D mechanism here and why it is useful. So first question that comes to your mind, what is a motion gen? So motion gen is basically means motion generator. So it is quite useful. A question is why. So basically you can make different kinds of mechanism here and you can do a lot of things. As you can see that a very complex mechanism is created here. So the advantage of motion gen as compared to SolidWorks is it is easier to make a mechanism in motion gen as compared to SolidWorks. It is time consuming in making mechanism in SolidWorks because you have to first analyze is the dimensions are correct or not. If you have saw my videos, so it is much better to create here. Let's see how to make a mechanism. So you can see this is what called select tool. This is merge select and so on. So I will just teach you how to make a simple one, and if I get more views I will make a deep detailed videos because I don't know what my viewers like to watch. So let's see how I can make a simple mechanism. So I will select this tool called draw link. So click on anywhere and draw the link. Similarly again and again, it will automatically snap to the center. After that, click on the select tool. Now you can see this is a 4 bar mechanism. But in 4 bar mechanism, there is a one more joint that is fixed one. So I don't define any kind of relation. So select this. Basically, I want to do what? Ground or fixed. Simply select this one, click on ground to make it fixed. Now we have made it, but it is not like animating or anything else. So select a point that you want to animate. So I will select this point. So what I want to rotate it. Click on this add rotate actuator. You can see. So if I click on play, you can notice. So what I'm observing is that my mechanism is not correct. But suppose I make in SolidWorks. First I have to make 2D parts, then I have to assemble it, then I have to define mate. After that I will do the motion analysis. You can imagine how much time I will spend, and then I will realize, hey, I made mechanism wrong. So it's a nightmare. So now if I make it small, you can visualize right live on your screen that I can make it correct. Can you imagine how much time it will save you when you make a mechanism in SolidWorks? Because you don't have to draw, 2D or 3D parts. You don't have to define complex mates. Plus, it is far easier to make to do the animation. The best part is it is free of cost. You don't have to spend any single penny on it. So that is why I like it. And you can do lot of things. The only limit is here is how much you are not creative. So any kind of 2D mechanism, I think it can be possible to make here. So you can also look for the draw cylinder. Cylinder is basically used for piston mechanisms. Okay, if you want piston draw mechanisms, and you can make your custom shapes as well. You can see the boolean operation to make your custom shapes. So that's for all. I just want to share this mechanism to you. So I hope you guys learned something from it. And if you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.